All right. So I said if you come over to, okay, if you come over, of course, this is my own 3D model, my own museum, and I already have this part, okay, this um, place is already designed where you can put in photos and any other stuff. Put in photo here. So I decided to put in a component here called quad. How we did that was that I right clicked in your hierarchy, come over to 3D object, then you get your quad, okay? Your quad. You click on it. This is it. Okay, this is it. Now, this quad, which is this, I renamed it as video quad. Okay, let me just delete this old one I have in there. Okay, I renamed it as video quad so that I will know that is a video component or object that is on it. Then I scaled it to fit the wall. Okay, I scaled it to fit the wall. Yes, I scaled it to fit the wall, as you can see. Then what I did next was that once you click on it, you go under components and you click on add components. Then you type in video. Once you just type in video, you're going to see two components here. You have video player and video and new script. We don't want to write any script, so we just want to add a video component to our quad here, this quad object here. So add on it. So now this component, this stuff have already been created. Now there are two ways. Either you come over to your asset here and you drag the video into your video clip here, or you click on this tiny icon here, and the only thing you see here is because this is video, the only thing you see here is that video that we imported, which is Theta Network. You click on it and it's automatically being called up here. Then we made some adjustments here. We want it to loop. We don't want it to wait for the first frame. We want it to play on wait. That is the moment you execute your projects, it should automatically start playing. We don't want it to skip on drop. With the playback speed is just fine. Then the volume, you can choose to either mute, right, or you can reduce the volume. Okay, so this is what we did. Let's see, audio source. Audio source is if the video doesn't have an audio, you can just change from this audio output. You can choose your what you want in here. Direct, of course, which is what we already had previously. So it's on direct, so and that is just fine, and that is all. Okay, this is all. So is there any question? Is there any are you still lost, Da Silva?
It's okay. I get it now. Thank you very much.
All right. So if we go back and play.
Technology today is amazing.
So you hear the
but somehow streaming quality and load times is still terrible. Everyone has a computer with extra bandwidth to spare, especially when a machine is not being used. And now you